Hello, lovely people. Welcome to our YouTube channel.
Today, we want to teach you some amazing uses of the turmeric powder. So, the herb that you are seeing on the screen is the turmeric powder. Turmeric powder is very common. If you go to those people who sell the spices, you can easily get it from them. So, kindly ensure that you are going to get it in the raw state and then it is not mixed with any other thing. So, when you get it, you can use it for so many things, some of which I'm coming to mention here. So, first of all, let's look at skin problems. If you're having skin problems like stubborn acne or pimples, you can mix the turmeric powder with cinnamon. And then, if you have pure honey, you mix it with it. You are going to apply it on your face for about 30 minutes time, then you wash it off. After washing it, what you do is that you can now go and bath. So that is how you are going to apply it, and then that stubborn pimples or acne is going to leave you permanently. And then also, if you are having cough, if you are coughing, you are going to heat some milk to be warm, and then you add half a teaspoon of the turmeric powder to it. You stir very well and drink. It is going to relieve you of the stubborn cough permanently. If you are having asthma too, that one too, you mix the turmeric powder with the warm milk and you drink. It is going to cure the asthma in 2 weeks for you. And then if you have dandruff, that one you are going to mix the turmeric powder with olive oil. You apply it around your scalp. If you have a very good hair cap, you wear it. If you have a hairnet, you wear it on it to sleep. So the following day, you go and bath. You are going to do this for about a week or two, and that dandruff will just leave you for good. And then also, if you have sore throat, you are going to mix 1 tablespoon of the turmeric powder with warm milk. You drink. If you do this for about 3 days, that sore throat will just leave you permanently. Then, if you have athlete foot, that one you are going to add 1 tablespoon of the turmeric powder to 2 liters of lukewarm water. You are going to put your feet inside for about 15 minutes before you remove it, and then that problem will just leave you. For those people who are having gallstone, that one you are going to mix the half a tablespoon of the turmeric powder with lukewarm water. You are going to drink on empty stomach for 2 weeks, only on in the morning, empty stomach for 2 weeks, and it is going to solve that problem for you for good. And then also, if you are such that you have difficult menses, you are going to mix the turmeric powder with warm milk and drink. You are going to do this for about a week. You are going to do it 2 times daily for a week, and then that difficult or stubborn or painful menses or menstruation is going to leave you. And then, if you are bent, you are going to mix turmeric powder with aloe vera gel. If you cannot get the aloe vera gel, you can use pure honey. And then you mix it together, you apply it on the bends. And then that problem is going to leave you for good. And then also, if you are such that you have kidney stones, that one, what you are going to do is that you are going to grind the miracle leaf or the tamio or the kalanko pinata leaves. You are going to grind it and then you mix it with turmeric powder. Then you are just going to take it. So you are going to extract the juice from the kalanko pinata and then you mix it with the turmeric powder. Then every morning and evening, you are going to take about 2 spoons. You are going to take it in morning and evening for 10 days, and then that problem is going to leave you. And then if you have spider poison, you are going to mix turmeric powder with sesame oil or sesame powder, and then you are going to apply it on it, and it is going to help you. If you also need beautiful skin, always consume the turmeric powder regularly. So there are a lot of things we can say about the turmeric, but let's end it here for other videos. So in the next videos, we shall talk about other benefits of the turmeric powder. So please kindly ensure that you subscribe to the channel for more remedies. Thank you very much. Bye.
Please kindly remember to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and then the notification button. Thank you very much.